In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find contacts in Freshsales. When you have a growing database of people in your CRM, being able to quickly narrow down the right contact is essential. Freshsales makes this easy by letting you filter your contact list based on specific details, like where someone lives or what their job title is. In this walkthrough, you will start in the contacts area, open the filtering panel, add a filter based on the field you care about, and then apply it to instantly refine your list. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and click the contacts icon. This takes you to the main contacts list view, where you can see all of the contacts available to you. This list view is your starting point for searching and organizing, and it is where filters will do the most work for you. Next, move to the top right of the list view and click the filter icon. It looks like a small funnel. This opens the filtering options so you can define exactly what type of contacts you want to see. Using filters is helpful because it reduces distractions and helps you focus on a smaller, more relevant set of results. Now click Add Filter. Freshsales will prompt you to choose a field. Pick the field that matches what you are trying to find. For example, if you are looking for contacts in a specific location, choose City. If you are trying to find people with a certain role, choose Job Title. Selecting the right field is important because the filter will only work as accurately as the information stored in your contact records. After you choose the field, set the operator. An operator defines how Freshsales should compare your field to the value you enter. For instance, you might choose an operator like is in, depending on your needs. Then type the value you want to filter by. Take your time to enter it carefully and match the format used in your CRM, since consistent spelling and wording can make your results more reliable. Finally, click Apply. Freshsales will update the list view and show only the contacts that match your filter criteria. At this point, you can review the refined list and work directly from it, knowing you are seeing the contacts that fit what you selected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.